First thing, rewrite a text by pressing T and adjust it like you want. Next, create transparent video. Right-click, new item, transparent video. Put it above your text and go to Effect. Search for Write On. Put it on your transparent video. Then you go to Effect Control, change the color, and first thing to do is changing brush spacing. Change the stroke. Now change the brush size and test it to see if it's cover your text. And now make sure your cursor is in the beginning of the video. Make a mark and move one frame by clicking on the right arrow and move your brush. Repeat this frame by frame and be precise. Don't cover another letter. When you are done, go to Effect and search for Track Matte key. Put it on your text and go to Effect Control, change the matte. Choose the number of your transparent video. Here my number is 3. And that's it, you're done. That's it for our video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Peace.